It's okay. Oh my gosh. You are in the house. Okay. Good boy. Sit. Okay. Good boy.
Would you shut up?
Open my door and there's a cat, and I look over here and it's a kitten. I think that's her mother. Hi. Can I touch you? Oh my god.
Oh, no, shut up, sick.
My neighbor's got a cat. And ever since then, Neo has turned into a peeping Tom. It's been days, and he never leaves this part of the backyard.
Oh my god.
2 months old and scared of everything?
Just kidding, he followed me downstairs. You are. I'm gonna sit on you.
Simba. Simba. Show me them legs.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Lower your...
It's like getting shot.
Hi. Hi. You get him?
Yeah.
the person that sent you this, they need you to know you kind of smell like a baka. Eres niega. What I love, Nestle Crunch.
Autobots, transform and roll out!
Толя не умеет забирать ветчину из рук.
Здравствуйте! Девушка, как проехать на Кожару? А, туда? Хорошо, от души.
Oh, look.
I was thinking something different though, like, no, I don't like that idea. You think? No, I said no.
Miss, you want your makeup done? Oh, so pretty.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
What did you do?
Кайф, да?
Kawaii. Did I?
These your boys right here? These your boys? These your niggas right here? The fuck?
I love you, Mr. Bubs. Do you love me too? No? Oh, no. I think he loves me.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.